एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूँ सुभद्रा और आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ ये सॉफ्ट ग्लैम मेकअप एंड दिस इज़ वेरी इजी एंड दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ माय एवरीडे मेकअप बट या ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos and help your sis to grow. Okay,
for moisturizer I use my NIBBI cream all time moisturizer, and after that I'm gonna apply my primer, which is from Blue Heavens, and this is the one and only primer I use for my face because I have oily skin, and for that silicone based primer is better to and also block your pores so that foundation and chemicals like the eyeshadow will not go into your skin and you will not break out. So this will be the wall between you and between your skin and the makeup. I'm gonna do my eye makeup, so for that I'm using concealer from Lakme in the shade Honey Beige. I'm taking this dense brush to blend it out my concealer. I am going to set it with some loose powder, and I'm using Blue Heavens loose powder in the shade Shell. I'm taking this flare brush. I'm using my Nykaa palette. From there I'm taking this ochre yellow shade right onto my crease line, because this is very subtle and neutral shade I'm gonna go, because this eyeshadow, this look is dependent on soft glam. I'm taking this dark brown shade right onto my crease line. The brush I've used, that ochre color, I'm taking that shade again and blending all the harsh lines. I am taking this champagne shade, placing in the middle of my concealer. I have to do my lower lash line, so for that I'm taking my concealer and concealing my lower lash, my under eye.
so after concealing my under eye, I'm gonna apply foundation from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Honey Beige, and after blending out I'm gonna set with the loose powder from Blue Heaven.
My camera just got off and I don't realize that, like मुझे पता नहीं चला कब मेरा camera off हो गया. So after setting my foundation, I use a Maybelline Dream Sun Tan bronzer, and for blush I use a lipstick. I use this lipstick from Color. It's just say Color, and for lipstick I used this maroon shade, which I have no name, and this Miss Claire lip liner. I just lost my video. Okay, and for liner I use my Lakme Absolute liquid liner, and I just did a foxy eyeliner, as you can see. And for mascara I use the Blue Heavens mascara, and now I am going to apply my highlighter. So now I have done with my makeup, and I just come after changing my clothes and just do like appropriate dressing.